Are you considering starting your own plumbing business in Malaysia? With a growing demand for reliable plumbing services, now is the perfect time to dive into this essential industry. Plumbing is a vital service for homes, businesses, and infrastructure. Whether it's installation, repair, or maintenance, skilled plumbers are always in high demand. So, what do you need to start a plumbing business in Malaysia? First, register your business with SSM, Suruhanjaya Syarikat Malaysia, and obtain a valid license from the local council. This ensures you comply with the law and operate with credibility. Next, invest in essential plumbing tools and equipment and hire a team of qualified professionals. Focus on delivering excellent customer service. This will help you build a loyal client base. Promote your business online and offline. Build a website, use social media, and network with real estate agents and contractors for referrals. Starting a plumbing business in Malaysia can be rewarding. With the right training, equipment, and strategy, your plumbing company will grow and thrive. Visit 3E Accounting Malaysia today, and let's make your dream business into reality.